Hello. I have written here two different equations of straight lines. We are going to be graphing them on these two coordinate grids. We start by identifying the gradient or the slope. So this particular equation I have written in gradient intercept form or slope intercept form, where my slope is m, which is 2 by 3, and my y-intercept is 1, which is c. So the first thing that I do is I mark my y-intercept, which is 1 along y-axis. I mark it. This is the first point. And then I write aside my gradient or the slope, which is 2 by 3. We know that gradient is also rise upon run. Now the gradient is rise upon run. So rise is we need to go up. So when we go up along y-axis, it is the positive direction of x-axis. So we go up because this 2 is positive. Now run is also positive. So when we run from that point, positive direction is always when we go from left to right side. So we run like this. So run is towards right side when it is positive. So I start from here. So from this y-intercept, I run 2 up and 3 right. So I go 2 up and 3 right. 1, 2, 3. This is the second point. I explain again. It is 2 up and 3 right. And then you simply join these 2 points and you get your straight line. Mine is not straight because I've drawn a free hand. So these were your 2 points. And you just extend the line on both sides. This is the straight line that you wanted. So that's the easiest method to draw a straight line on a coordinate grid. Now take a look at the second line. It is not in gradient intercept form, it is in general form. We need to convert it to gradient intercept form. How do we do that? All we need to do is to transpose this here, and I get 2y is equal to negative 5x minus 4, and then transpose this to right side and I get y is equal to negative 5 by 2x minus 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 eventually gives me 2. So if you see, my y-intercept is negative 2 and my gradient is negative 5 by 2. Negative 5 by 2. So I start by marking my y-intercept on the graph, which is this, minus 2 along y-axis. Y-intercept is marked along y-axis always. So first point is there. Now we need to have the second point. For that we make use of the gradient. Now negative 5 by 2 means either the rise is negative or the run is negative. So what I'm doing is I play intelligently. Since I can go up, I have a lot of space here, I can rise 5 units, because if you see the sign of the rise is negative, so it usually is not rise, we have to go down by 5 points, and I do not have any place left towards the downward direction of y-axis. So what I do is I transfer my negative in the denominator, and I get 5 by negative 2. So this leads to my rise is up and my run is negative, which means I'll have to go 2 points to my left. Okay, now starting from here. So I have my negative 2, which is my intercept, and from here I'll rise 5 up, 2 left. So 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 left, 1, 2. Mark this point. I repeat again. 5 up, 2 left. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 left. This is my point. So simply join these 2 points, and you get your straight line. I I couldn't draw it straight. I'll try it again. So this is my straight line that I was looking for using these 2 points. Great. So that's how we draw two not so straight lines on the graph using this very easy method. Thank you.